94 Mustang convertible. This one's is a 6-liter, 3.8, but it's a convertible. And these latches go bad. Most of the time, the latch isn't bad, but there is a guide that's made out of plastic that is up in here that I'm gonna pull out without removing the top. All right, you'll need 2 tools in order to do this. You'll need a Torx 40, and you'll need a 3mm Allen wrench. Some plastic and creativity. Okay, here's a latch. That Torx 40, there's 2. There's one right here, and there's one right under here. You don't need to mess with that one. That'll take apart this frame. You leave that alone. Just take this one off and loosen up this assembly, and it'll open up opportunity to get to that Allen wrench, or that Allen. Okay, once you have that bolt removed, you can slide this latch down out of the way. You see that Allen? That right in there, that's 3mm. So I'll twist that out. And I recommend putting your hand under there to catch the bolt and the plastic guide if there's anything left of it. So I'm gonna put the camera down. You can see mine's red. That's one that I fabricated to put in there. I'm gonna pull that out. And these are what the pieces look like. See, this one is a little bent. See if we can't make a better fit. So I just took the piece, I traced it out on a $2 spreader from Ace Hardware. Then I'm just going to use an angle grinder and just cut that out. All right, let me put this back together. Washer goes on the Allen bolt. And then this guide goes on the inside of this channel and on this side of where it bolts in. So again, it goes in here, and that allows this to slide up and down and locks in place your latch. So we'll put it together, we'll see how it closes. All right, all back together. I'm gonna close this top. And we're gonna pray for rain. I can't move that latch. It worked without removing the top. I hope that's helpful. Make it work.